Picture this. You just got paid. Your phone lights up, and for a few seconds, you feel like a total boss. Then rent hits. Groceries disappear. That little treat somehow costs $300. Gone. Again. You look in the mirror, and something quietly feels off. Not broke, not careless, just completely stuck. Again. That low-level anxiety humming in the background every single day is quietly killing your confidence everywhere you go. And honestly, babe, you are not alone. This is the exact cycle most ambitious people are living in right now, but here is what nobody ever tells you. This feeling has a name, and more importantly, it has a real fix. Hey, babe, it is Demi. And I spend way too much time obsessing over how to make money feel sexy and powerful. I sit with this, I think about it, I obsess over making wealth feel as attractive and desirable as possible. Hit subscribe, because what I am about to share is going to completely change how you see and feel about money. I am here to help you build a life and a business that genuinely excites you, one that actually turns you on. Most money advice is boring as hell. Save more, spend less, cut the lattes, no thank you, hard pass. There is one specific number that quietly changes absolutely everything: $20,000. And it is not what you think. Below 20,000 money feels like a fragile glass jar. One unexpected hit, and the whole thing shatters completely. Above 20,000, something quietly shifts inside you, like flipping a switch you did not even know existed until now. You stop choosing the safe, dim path out of fear. You start choosing the powerful, glowing path completely on purpose. 20,000 becomes real, undeniable proof that you are someone who actually builds wealth, not just someone who survives it. Without it, fear filters every single decision you make. Fear of the surprise bill. Fear of one slow month destroying everything. With it, you breathe completely differently. That money becomes your personal permission slip to finally truly relax and expand. You negotiate harder, because when you are not desperate, your entire energy in every room completely changes. You say no to bad opportunities with zero guilt, no explanation needed, no anxiety attached whatsoever. You step boldly toward real risks in business, because the downside no longer feels like it will destroy you. Your identity shifts from trying to get it together to having money actively working for you every single day. Saving stops feeling like punishment. Investing starts feeling like the most luxurious, ultimate act of pure self-love with returns. But right now, under 5,000 stress literally lives inside your body every single day. Research actually backs this up. Put 20,000 into a simple investment account, averaging 7 to 8% annually. Then just watch it beautifully move. Add just $200 a month on top of that. That discipline alone grows it to 70 to 80,000. Stretch it to 20 years. That original 20,000 grows into nearly $85,000 completely on its own. Keep going, stay completely consistent, and six figures becomes not just possible, it becomes absolutely, completely inevitable for you. The growth accelerates powerfully because your brain is finally fully out of survival mode, and that one shift changes everything. This is the decision, the one that separates people who talk about wealth from people who actually build it. Let us talk about what is really keeping you stuck. It is not your income. It is not your spending. It is fear. Fear of unexpected bills. Fear of slow months, fear that one wrong move unravels absolutely everything you have built. That fear makes you tolerate situations you have completely outgrown, clients who drain you, rates that honestly insult you. It leaks into your energy, into your confidence, into how you show up in every single important room you enter. You play smaller because it feels safer. But playing small has a very real and very expensive cost, babe. The moment you start building that buffer, fear starts losing its grip on you completely. That is the real shift. Under 5,000 saved stress hormones are measurably higher. Your body literally knows and feels every single difference every day. Cross that threshold. Even reaching 10,000 completely changes how you feel walking confidently into absolutely any room. This is the glow up nobody ever talks about. Not a new outfit, a brand new relationship with your money. Here is the exact math broken all the way down. 20,000 at 7% for 10 years. Let us go. You do not need a windfall. You do not need 6 figures already sitting there. You just need to start now. 10 years later, that 20,000 becomes nearly $40,000 without touching it, without the constant stress, just pure growth. Add 200 a month on top. That is literally just one dinner out less each month. Literally, that is it. 20 years. Same 20,000, same 200 monthly. You are looking at well over 100,000 real dollars. 6 figures from discipline, not luck, from consistency, not perfection. That is the genuinely sexy version of building real wealth. Here is exactly why it accelerates so powerfully. Once out of survival mode, your brain makes genuinely so much better decisions. Financial stress literally narrows your thinking and your entire vision. That is not a mindset problem. That is actual real biology. Cross the threshold. Give your brain the space it truly needs to think bigger, bolder, and so much better always. This is the real transformation, not just the money itself. The version of you that powerfully emerges when you finally have it. Here are the exact steps to hit the 20,000 rule. Grab something to write with right now. Step 1, open a completely separate account. Name it something that genuinely turns you on, your future empire. Whatever feels powerful, make it feel like a real relationship, one you are actively investing in, one that will absolutely never ever ghost you. Step 2, automate your transfer the day right after payday, before lifestyle creep even gets a single chance to strike. Treat it like a completely non-negotiable bill, not optional, not if I have leftover, always and forever completely first. Step 3, protect it fiercely. This is not your emergency fund. This is your wealth foundation. Do not touch it ever. When you hit 10,000, move it into a simple investment account. Let it finally start truly working hard for you. Step 4, every single time you add money, take 30 seconds to visualize the powerful version of you that is emerging. Feel it fully, not anxious, not desperate, moving through the entire world so completely differently than before. These are not just money steps, they are identity steps. You are rewiring yourself with every single transfer you make. People who build real wealth do not wait until they feel ready. They build consistently and powerfully until they feel ready. Now let us talk about lifestyle creep, because this is what quietly kills most wealth-building journeys completely and totally dead. You get a raise, beautiful, and suddenly your standards upgrade perfectly to match new everything, more of absolutely everything. It feels like self-care. It feels like finally really living your best life, but it is quietly keeping you basic. The people building genuinely sexy wealth are not depriving themselves at all. They are obsessed with their future rich era. They decided that future them feels so much hotter than another impulse purchase today, that one decision changes absolutely everything. Lifestyle creep wears an incredibly cute outfit every single time, but it quietly steals from the most powerful version of you. Here is a real story. Someone making 6 figures, confident on the outside, completely anxious on the inside. Every single day, they committed fully to the 20,000 rule. Automated transfers, protected the account fiercely. 8 months later, they actually hit it. Something shifted immediately and powerfully. They raised their rates, they fired draining clients, income jumped a full 40%. That is not a coincidence at all. That is the 20,000 rule, working exactly and perfectly the way it should. The money gave full permission to show up completely differently every single day, and that changed their entire results completely. That story could absolutely be yours, babe. It will be yours, the exact moment you truly decide that it is. Most of you watching this already know exactly what you need to do. You have honestly known this for a while now. The question is not what, the question is when, and the answer is always right now, not next month, now. Every single month you wait is compounding in completely the wrong direction. Time is either working for you or against you. The 20,000 rule is not just about the number, it is about the powerful identity that number creates in you. It is about becoming the person who finishes what they start, who builds what they envision, who always keeps their word. Treat your future self like a true luxury investment, because you absolutely 100% genuinely and completely are one. Stop waiting for a windfall. Stop waiting to pay everything off first. Start building powerfully in parallel right now today. Even $50 a month toward this goal completely changes your entire psychology. Progress is honestly the most powerful motivator always. Open the account today, not this week, today. That single act alone tells your brain you are completely and totally serious. Watch how fast real momentum builds. The first 1,000 feels slow. The second comes faster. Then it fully accelerates beautifully. Every single dollar you add is another powerful vote for the version of yourself you are actively becoming. Keep voting. This is compound interest meeting compound identity. Both grow powerfully together. Both accelerate together. Both become completely and utterly unstoppable. Imagine 12 months from right now, you have been fully consistent. The number is growing. You already feel so completely different. You are not anxious in meetings anymore. You know you have real options. That knowledge shifts your entire powerful energy. That low-level financial stress humming constantly in the background, gone. Replaced by quiet, completely unshakable, genuine confidence every day. The threshold changes absolutely everything, not because of the money itself, because of what having it tells you about yourself. You did it, you built it, you protected it. You are officially and powerfully someone who builds real lasting wealth. That identity is the most valuable thing the 20,000 rule ever gives you. Everything else flows powerfully from there. Let money start genuinely working for you. Compound interest is honestly the most loyal partner you will ever have in life. It shows up every single day without fail. It never asks for attention. It never disappoints. It just consistently grows. Compare that to staying stuck forever under 5,000. Constant stress, constant reset, constant completely exhausting survival mode every single day, or cross the threshold. Breathe so much easier, think so much bigger, make every decision from real power, not panic. That glow up is completely available to you right now with whatever you are earning, starting from exactly where you are. The 20,000 rule works at every single income level. It is not about how much you make, it is the decision. Make money feel like the most genuinely attractive, powerful thing in your entire life. Because honestly, babe, it truly is. It gives you real freedom, real options, real confidence, the ability to say yes to exactly what you want unapologetically. That is honestly the sexiest thing anyone can ever truly have. Not a bag, not a car, financial power. You deserve to feel this fully and completely. Not someday, right now, starting with 20,000 as your solid foundation. Every single dollar you save from this point forward is a powerful love letter written directly to your future self. Write a truly good one. Make it long, make it powerful, make it absolutely and completely count always. Still feeling a little stuck? Let us talk about the stories you are currently telling yourself about money right now, babe. I will start when I earn more. I will save after I pay off debt. I am just not a money person. Those stories are keeping you completely trapped in the cycle. They feel entirely true to you. They are absolutely not true. The 20,000 rule does not care at all about your backstory. It only cares about your very next move. Money responds to consistency, not perfection. To real commitment, not conditions. To genuine action, not just pure intention alone, ever. You do not need it all figured out perfectly right now. You just need to begin today, right now, period. It costs you confidence, energy, presence, the ability to fully enjoy every single part of your life and success. The 20,000 rule is the investment that pays you powerfully back in every single important area of your entire life, not just your bank account, your health, your relationships, your business, your entire deep, powerful sense of self and worth. This is why I call it the Sexy Wealth Foundation, because absolutely everything genuinely feels so much better when this is solid. You stop performing confidence and finally start actually fully living it every single day. That difference is absolutely and completely everything. Here is exactly what I want you to do right now. Open a brand new account before this video even ends. Name it something powerful that turns you on. Fund it with whatever you can. $10, $100, just start today. Drop "I am claiming my 20,000 rule" in the comments right now. Let your future self see you fully committed. Subscribe, because next we are going even deeper into making money feel like the ultimate, most powerful self-love language. You have absolutely everything you need to build wealth that feels as genuinely powerful and magnetic as you truly are. Now go make your money as completely irresistible as you are, babe. You have got this. See you next time.